Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
Start by installing Jupyter with pip install Jupyter Lab in a clean virtual environment. Create and activate a virtual environment to isolate packages and versions. Choose a kernel that matches your project language, like Python 3 or R. Launch the server from your project folder to keep paths consistent. Open notebooks in your web browser and set a clear working directory. Save often and use checkpoints to protect against accidental data loss. Organize notebooks with markdown cells to create readable sections and explanations. Write concise comments and include code examples for reproducibility and clarity. Run individual cells selectively to test logic without rerunning everything. Restart the kernel when the execution state becomes inconsistent or memory is high. Use keyboard shortcuts and command mode to speed up navigation and editing. Keep data loading and when sharing results, export notebooks to HTML or PDF for wide accessibility. Convert notebooks to scripts for automation or continuous integration pipelines. Use extensions like nbdime for diffs and variable inspector for debugging and introspection. Keep outputs cleared or use trusted output policies before committing to version control systems. Document dependencies in environment files such as requirements, txt or environment. IML, backup work and tag stable notebook versions for reproducibility and collaboration.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.